This video was a nightmare to make. Let me explain. Originally, I had a different intro that I was going to use because I was going to use that intro to explain what I was going to do to my Type R, which had to do with the Mugen window visors for my Type R and some stickers I was going to put on like the bottom of the door area. As I was working on the Mugen window visors, I actually ran into a problem because it was actually starting to rain. And since the Mugen window visors had 3M double-sided tape, if it rained then the elastic wasn't going to work very well because the rain was going to mess with the elasticity of the 3M tape. So after I had finished the front and the rear of the left side of the driver's side of the Mugen window visors, I had to stop halfway because it was absolutely downpouring for the next 2 days straight. Like, it did not stop raining for the next 2 days, and I couldn't use my garage because my garage was full of stuff and I couldn't put my car in there because it was boxes and stuff everywhere in my garage. So it was gonna be super like tight packed in there, and I could not film and install the stuff at the same time. 2 days passed, it was just raining, and I could not do anything. Finally, today happened, and I finally was able to install the passenger side Mugen window visors. And they're really nice. I managed to, like, you know, put it on, put the bolts on, and it was really hard because for the first side that I used, the driver's side of the Mugen window visors, I could not get the WeatherTech stuff to like come down. So like, in order for it to properly bolt on, I had to pull the WeatherTech stuff down and then slip like a bolt thing under there so that I could, you know, so that it would firmly attach to the window. The first problem that I ran into is that the WeatherTech stuff was so hard to pull down. I swear to God, this stuff was like, I was trying my hardest, trying to use tools and stuff, and it was like, the first time I did, I could not figure out how to do it. I was just like, I was sticking it in there, I thought I was going too hard, so I was doing softer, and then I thought it was too soft, and then I went even harder, and I could not. It just was like really difficult. I think it was like unnecessarily difficult. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be that difficult, but I just want to clarify that I am not an expert at any of this stuff. I'm winging this stuff as I go. I look up YouTube videos and I am just, you know, doing it by hand or winging it. I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing with this stuff at this point. So I finally got that done, and I figured it out. Like, you're supposed to like pull it down. I look for some people on YouTube, like I've looked up several YouTube videos, and it looks like they just use a like dinky little thing. They just gently pull it down and stick it in. But me, I was trying to tug at it this whole time, and it was not going anywhere. Like, I swear the previous owners, they did something to that WeatherTech stuff. I don't know what it was, but they must have super glued it or something. It must have been falling off and they super glued it on there. There's been like 2 or 3 previous owners on the car that I have. I think I'm like one of the 4th owner of this Type R because I bought it used, right? So after I finally figured out what to do, I figured out that I actually have to use this orange tool. I think it came with the actual Mugen visors. I used a tool, I stuck it up in there, and you have to like shovel it down so that I could put this dinky little bolt holder thing in there. And then I couldn't figure out how to actually get the bolt in there, so I figured out all you had to do was just like go from the top and stick it in, and it was a lot less complicated. But I finally got it. I finally got the stickers on there. I had a sticker on my door. It actually says Eternity on there, so I got a second one of those, and then I have, oh, it says Eternal, and I got 2 stickers that say Eternity. So I got the door ones and the side wing ones. I have to get the there's another sticker I have. It has VTEC Turbo on it. I was gonna put it on the back of the car. But anyways, guys, that is the vlog. I have some ideas for stuff that I'm gonna post on this channel, but if you guys have any ideas or anything that you would like from me, anything that you would like to see, whether that's IRL or just stuff about F1, maybe even iRacing, or just questions or stuff that you might want me to make a video about, just let me know, put it in the comments, and I will try and be active on this channel, because I know I said I was supposed to be more active on this YouTube channel, but I just have no idea what I want to post. So I decided that I was gonna do some vlogging stuff, maybe some car installs in the future. I do have an intake sitting out there. It's the PRL high volume intake, so we'll probably make a video on that coming soon when there's a good stretch of time when I can actually figure that out, because I'm gonna be doing it by myself with my stepdad, so we're gonna go figure that out. But anyways, boys, be sure to like and subscribe, comment, whatever you guys want to watch from me, and I will see you guys next time.